Your slate floor looks stunning until the first crack appears. A chip here, a wobble there, and suddenly you're facing a decision. Repair it, replace it, or let it slide. But wait, ignore that crack, and moisture sneaks in. Seal it wrong, and the damage spreads. DIY sounds cheaper until your living room starts to buckle, and those mismatched tiles you rush to buy. They scream, quick fix. Here's the solution. Get it assessed fast. Minor issues. A specialist repair, done right, costs less than a full redo. But if the damage runs deep, replacing with quality slate can save you years of patch jobs. Think long-term. Modern slate lasts decades, boosts home value, and looks flawless. Don't wait until small problems turn into major regrets. Talk to a pro. Choose smart now, and your floors won't need saving later.